What's up, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Mom's Kitchen with the boys, where we do cooking stuff. You know, everything I got to do kitchen, cooking tips, everything cooking related. You see it over here, and as always, I have our lovely mom over here.
Hello, friends. Good to see you again.
Okay, guys. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, let's get it, guys. Okay, guys. I'm upset. I'm going to do porridge yam. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, porridge yam, and these are the basic ingredients.
Yes, porridge yam.
These are the basic ingredients. Tomato, fresh pepper, curry and spice, crayfish, onion, Maggi, seasoning. Yeah, that's it. I'm trying to remember. Salt. Yeah, we have our dried roasted smoked fish. Yes, smoked fish. Tomato paste.
Yes.
And what's this?
Scent leaf.
I'm not good with leaves, so.
This is scent leaf.
Scent leaf. This one is what?
Rosemary.
Rosemary. So scent and rosemary.
Curry leaf or something.
Curry leaf, rosemary leaf. You still find it in the market. Yes. Alright, let's get into the video.
So welcome back, friends. Now our pot is on the fire. We are going to add. So we are using coconut oil. Turn in the oil. To melt. This should be enough. It should be enough. Then I'll take out the right. Yeah, come here. This is our onion. Allow it to fry a bit. Jeff, so what next? What are we adding?
Pepper.
So I didn't even show. Please come over here. Please let me show them. I'm sorry, guys. What really happened? I don't even know. I'm so sorry. So here is our tomato. We've already cut it. Then the pepper. I used knife to achieve this because it's not much. So I decided to just use knife because then this is our fish. It's well washed. Our crayfish. Then tomato paste. So then we start cooking. Please get me the tomato paste. Thank you. All right. Just keep turning it so it will not burn. Turn it. Then what next? Allow it to cook for. Okay, let me add my pepper. You can add your pepper now, so that before like that, you just leave it for about 3 to 5 minutes, or after 3 minutes you can turn it. You open it, you turn it again, so it won't burn. So that's it. Here's the cover. Cover it and leave it on fire for about 3 to 5 minutes. So friends, welcome back. As you can see, this is it after 5 minutes. So why it's good you leave it this long, so that it will not have this slapping taste like sour taste. So when you leave it for a while, the tomato will be well cooked. Now, at this point, we are going to put in our seasoning. I'm adding my seasoning now. And then I have curry, hunger curry. boosting this thing. Turn it. Good to go. I'm going to be adding my yam now. I'm going to be adding my yam, but before I do that, I have to add water to it. Salt, adding salt. So at this point, I'm going to put in the yam. Let me see if the salt and the it's okay, so I now add my yam. Alright, as you can see, we still need to add water to it, so now I'm adding more water, just a little. I don't want it to be too watery. You get it? So it's okay. Make sure they go in very well, so that the salt, everything will, okay, just like that. Then you cover it, you let it cook for about 7 minutes. So cover it.
A few moments later.
Welcome back. So good people, as you can see, is boiling. So at this point, we are going to add the crayfish. I'm adding crayfish, right?
Our fish.
Everything will start out when we want to turn it. What can we do? So I will not be turning it. So as in, I'm not going to use my this thing just so that it will not burn. So we leave it like this for now, for about maybe 5 minutes again, okay, or 3 to 4 minutes. So that's it. Next will be my leaf. I'll be cutting my leaf now. Simply, I'm cutting it as in slicing it too. Slice it. When I'm done, you will see. So friends, welcome back. Here is the scent leaf. It's well washed and cut. So turning it in, turning it, and then mixing it gently. My body. Mix it like this. Jeff, how does it look like?
Like porridge, yeah?
Like more, how would I put it?
Colorful.
Colorful, and our porridge yam is ready, guys. You can see. I love the color. See, I was being careful adding water. You see? So it came out very, very perfect and good. So all right, time to eat, guys.
Okay guys, this is the final process. Yes, as you can see, it looks nice, like with the leaf and with the leaf and the fish and just the
The color is
it's so
fine.
yeah, So imagine, so now you imagine how it looks then. Now let's just taste it and see.
Give my people. Sorry.
I know they're not getting any.
No,
Oh.
it's better to be late than never. Please have it. It's nice. This. So, please try this.
Okay. I can finish this anytime, any day. So, yeah. Okay, guys, we've tested everything and it's tasting nice and good. Well, if you love this content, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notification bell icon. Hit that right now. Let's go ding ding. So you get the when we drop new content like this. Yeah, it really helps. So yeah,
Thanks.
don't you see awesome cooking tips and yeah, you love it, we love it, win-win. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching and yeah.
That's all for now. Thank you.
Stay home, stay safe, eat healthy, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.